Care Harbor, a longtime annual free clinic event based in Los Angeles, came to Pomona, California for the first time in April 2019, providing free medical, dental, vision, and preventative care to thousands of underserved and underinsured residents in eastern Los Angeles and San Bernardino County communities. Western University of Health Sciences played a large role at Care Harbor Fairplex, with hundreds of faculty, staff, and students volunteering in medical, vision, dental, podiatry, and new this year, veterinary medicine services.
I think this event's really important for students to get involved in because it really puts One Health into practice. So at WesternU, all of the students go through a program called IPE, or Interprofessional Education, and they do cases with students from other colleges, but now they get to see kind of a real world example of that. So inside, all of the other colleges are providing human health care, and outside we're doing veterinary care for those people's pets. Anyone who's going inside is going to come here first with their pet, bring them in, check in with us. We've got 3 housing units, 2 from Los Angeles County and 1 from Riverside County. So they'll drop off with us, we'll put them in their cages, and then we'll go through and do all of the exams. So when they're done inside, they'll come out, pick up their pet, and then we'll have a discussion about what we found during our exam.
Residents from all over Pomona are giving back, and so this is so appropriate that Western University, which is proudly based here, is such an essential partner.
This university has more healthcare disciplines than any university in the nation when it comes to healthcare degrees.
Part of the mission is for community outreach for what we do, and this event, the Care Harbor event, is an event that the students have been very enthusiastic about.
As a student, I volunteered and gave back to my community in Los Angeles, and then was given the opportunity to be here as a resident. And so I wanted to give back to the community that was surrounding Pomona and WesternU because they definitely need it for podiatric care, for diabetic foot checks, nail care, everything like that.
Of our students, it's the first time for some of them to be involved in something this.
Patient care, direct patient care.
Patient care, we have PA students who have never been out in the classroom. We have DO students also, it's their first time to be involved in this big and taking care of the patient really in a more sort of comprehensive way than they're used to when they're at school.
I mean, I just had a PA student come up and say, I just did my first pap smear. And those are the kind of light bulb moments that the students they carry that through. It's so cool to watch.
It's amazing that so many people are just coming together to just provide care to people that really need it. And it's just super organized. Everyone has their role. The patients are so grateful. There's a whole lineup and they're just eager and ready to get the care. So it's just amazing that we have this to offer the community.
We learned a lot during school, and it's kind of nice to give back and do it for people who really maybe can't afford it. So it's really nice to kind of help them out if they haven't had an eye appointment in a long time. They come here and they feel better. They're able to talk to real doctors. And for us, we get to look at it, but we don't really get the final say because we're students. So it's kind of nice to help them and talk to them about their concerns. Yeah. Whereas if this wasn't here, they wouldn't be able to do that.
Right. And it really exposes us to a large range of demographic of patients, which is really great for us as students.
So I got my glasses and I really appreciate this. So now I can see that your name is Jeff.